You are the only white guys. You are the only white person having umbrella. The woman said it's not raining. Then what did you say?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, but it helps. She says,
Yeah, it's the protection from the sun. It's not because you don't like the sun. You like the sun.
Yeah, but
It's just siya rin pa yung
no hot one. And it's hot.
oh, so many that oh, plenty oh. Nice kayo
Many,
good.
many of them.
Sleeping.
Sleeping, yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Mission accomplished.
Give you a break.
That's what you said, mission accomplished.
Yes, because that's the
That is-
idea.
Go in there to the right. That is her mission.
She's done
Ah,
it.
she's back again.
She's just walking to. Because the momentum or
The running.
the
motion.
bucky running, it's very soothing. Well, it can be.